So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal ID. So first off, you can identify on PayPal a couple different ways. So your PayPal ID depends on what you need from PayPal ID. For personal use, it's just going to be your registered email address or mobile number, but for profile sharing, it's going to be your username. And for business use, it's going to be your merchant ID. So most users just confirm that logging in to the account through the main website solves standard identification needs. So first off, if you want to find it, you can go to your PayPal account. From there, you can see home, send a request, and your wallet. And your primary identifier is the email address or mobile number linked during sign up. So share this email or phone number directly with others to receive money. So that's also the case under send request. You can see you can add name, username, or email. All three of these are a type of ID on PayPal, so you don't have to worry that much about it. You can be identified by either your name, your username, and even your email address. But if you want to get really specific, you can find your full name and find your unique username. So once you find that, it's going to just be displayed from your name, and it's going to just say your username next to it. Usually it's quite similar, so you can share that in order to receive money on the app. So these are a couple different ways that you can find your ID, but mostly it's just going to be your username, name, or your email address. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.